If you are looking for the best mechanical pencil, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Bic Xtra-Sparkle Mechanical Pencil. You don't have to be a professional artist to love mechanical pencils, particularly when they sparkle a little to lighten up your day. No, the lead in the Bic Xtra-Sparkle isn't sparkly, that would be a bit much, but the pencil barrels are bright and cheerful. You can get either 24 of them or 48 of them in a pack. The lead thickness measures 0.5, 0.7 or 0.9 millimeters. The leads are number 2, so they're suitable and scan-able for high school and college exams, and they advance with a single click. Number 2. Pentel GraphGear 1000 Automatic Drafting Pencil PG1017 EBP. The Pentel GraphGear 1000 is a drafting pencil with a grip that's designed to divert heat from the hand. The tip is retractable, which is nice if you're one of those who tends to drop your pencil into your pocket when you're not using it. No smudges or lead smears. The GraphGear 1000 uses self-sharpening high polymer lead with a 4mm tip, so it's suitable for use with rulers and similar devices. If you like to vary your lead type for different projects, a built-in indicator will alert you to how hard it is. Number 3. Kuru Toga Roulette Model Auto Lead Rotation 0. 5mm Mechanical Pencil. Uni effectively reinvented the mechanical pencil when it designed its Kuru Toga Roulette model. This pencil has a built-in ratchet at the tip to automatically rotate the lead a little each time you lift the point from the paper. The lead is sharp every time, and it's less likely to break. The Kuru Toga Roulette also has a low center of gravity, making it easier to handle, as well as a textured grip. Both are also conducive to consistent writing and marking. It comes with lead refills and extra erasers. Number 4. MozArt Supplies Mechanical Pencil Set. The MozArt mechanical pencils are stylish in their design as they are clear and silver in color. Lead sizes range from 0.3mm to 0.9mm, and this pack even includes refills for your leads and your erasers so that you never run short. Providing you with a consistent and easy way to create markings, these mechanical pencils have a firm grip and impressive comfort. These drawing pencils offers precision and versatility from sketching to detailed illustrations to school writing on all paper types. Number 5. rOtring 600 0.5mm Black Barrel Mechanical Pencil 1,904,443. Looking to buy a lifelong mechanical pencil? This is a mechanical pencil for you. Created with a metal body to give you the perfect weight so that the equilibrium is right for you to work for long periods of time with it. This mechanical pencil has a 0.5mm lead. It is hexagonal in its shape, which prevents slipping on fingers. It has a fixed lead guidance sleeve so that you always know exactly where you are about to make your mark. Lead hardness grade indicator for rapid identification when working.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.